Welcome to our full review of the Capacities app. Today, we'll explore whether this note-taking app is right for you in 2025. The first thing that catches your eye is its user-friendly interface. The design is sleek, making it easy to navigate. Let's delve into the standout features that set Capacities apart from other note-taking apps. The note-taking experience is smooth and intuitive, allowing for easy organization and retrieval of your notes. Integration is key, and Capacities offers compatibility with various tools, enhancing your productivity landscape. Collaboration features allow you to easily share notes and work on projects with others, making it a great tool for teams. When it comes to performance, Capacities delivers speed and stability, ensuring a reliable note-taking experience. Let's break down the pricing structure. Is it worth the investment for the value it offers? What are users saying about Capacities? Let's summarize the feedback and common experiences. So, is the Capacities app worth it in 2025? Let's recap and give our final verdict.